Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I'm here with a video. These guys, I think they're just fans of ours.
Yeah, and there's a 28 million person who's following me and Bartek. I think he's following everyone.
Yeah.
Where is he?
Oh yeah, he's following. I'm gonna follow
Oh,
back.
he has down to the end.
I'm gonna send him a friend request. Guys, I'm out.
Oh, they're like,
Guys.
hey friends, all dance, all dance. Yes, more Funky Squad. Funkies, I have Funkies. I'm not a fan of Funky.
What? Then change your skin, dude. Big
SMH.
Dan TD just left. So sad.
I'm just gonna be like.
Look at these guys.
I'm fixing you.
Come, guys, you're in a vid. Come, guys, you're in a vid.
What the hell? Oh wait, no, I'm gonna come back to you guys.
Maya's like, I'm good. Where are they gonna follow me? Oh, this guy. Ooh, don't tell me they're gonna actually follow me. Oh, this guy is following me. Yeah, let's go, dude. Look, this guy is following me. Oh, what the hell? My recorder just like a thingy.
Screech, I need to get on you, and I think that I do.
Go back to thingy.
No, I'm not
Screencast-matic.
going back to Screencast. That one broke down.
Guys, if you want to know what am I recording from, it's Screencast-matic.
Well, duh, because they'll say it at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and you guys can see he plays Minecraft.
I do sometimes. Not all the time. I play sometimes.
Am I right?
Some people like Minecraft too. Not only do I. I'm gonna donate Robux again.
Please!
I donated. Oh, what channel? Oh shoot. Oh.
You don't even know your channel.
Should I go and check here?
No, your name's thingy, something a jingy.
Wait, I'll go and check. Oh shoot.
Hi Mathesons, if you're gonna watch this. How do you not even know your channel name?
I want them to see me.
My channel name is MayaOMG1. You should sub there.
They were talking to me. They were talking to me. Sorry guys, this is this is not mine. This is not mine. This is not mine. Who the hell logged me out? Who the hell? Get away. This is not my guys. Sorry. This is my brother's.
They share their computer, and it's very sweet of them. No. Oh.
Wait, is this mine? No.
Let's see, it isn't.
I need to wait.
If I don't talk a lot, I'm sorry, because I'm eating a cheeseburger right now.
This is mine. I have to copy that. Oh shoot, what was my password?
Don't tell out the fans or they're gonna hate you.
I'm back, guys.
So guys, you're gonna hear some background
This is one of my videos.
music, then it's probably because I'm singing. I'm gonna watch some YouTube
Copy.
and then I'm gonna watch his introduction video though.
Wait, how do you paste here, Maria? How do you paste again? Wait. Was that last video? Sorry guys, I just have to talk.
I think so.
Well, I don't care. My YouTube channel is. How do you my face again? Wait, is it with a R?
No.
Was it with
No,
with
let
a-
me record my thing.
No, but wait, was it with an A? Yeah. Was it?
No, it was CRTLC. Try that.
No.
Bartek, I'm telling you and you don't even know.
Okay, I think it. BXRT. Roblox. Okay.
Right now, let's make an intro for my YouTube video.
Sorry guys, we have to make an intro for hers. Well, I will just stand. I won't say hello guys, but she'll
Well, we'll wave to each other, won't we?
stop promoting your channel. I'm gonna say why.
Whoa.
Why?
Get better content. Why?
Bro,
Why? Why? Okay.
I have.
Hi guys, it's me, Maya, and today we're in YouTuber Simulator joined with BXRTXX Roblox. I'll link his channel down below. And don't ask why I'm a boy, because there's like mostly boys in it, and I wanted to be
Yeah.
behaving, but he was like, no, we're gonna be twins.
I'll link Maya's channel down below.
Oh no, my microphone is stopped working!
Maya, you're recording.
So, sorry about that, my thing just stopped working. So
Maya, I
if it
think-
stops, just don't worry.
Maya, I think our squad just left.
Squad, where are you?
Or
Squad.
they might have changed. Yeah, they left. Look.
There's only one of us still left.
He's
though.
here!
No, that wasn't the guy in our squad.
You're in a vid.
Oh, there's 4 of us. Yes.
You're in a vid.
Hi guys, it's sorry about that.
Sorry guys, Maya's just like checking her thing.
Okay, no guys, I'm stopping this video in my channel. Sorry.
Maya can talk in my video.
Yeah, I can still be in this video though.
This guy is like Buzz.
I'm so quick at talking.
Did you fertilize that?
No.
You're in a vid on YouTube.
Okay, whatever. I don't want that.
He's like, Mom, I think he went to his mom because he went like AFK. What if I like killed him or something because I told him he's in a vid? Oh my god.
Okay, I'm
Maya.
gonna be watching videos.
I think he died or something. Look. He's AFK.
Don't worry about things.
Anyway, a tiny bit, put it down. Sorry guys, I have to like end in like
No, you don't.
10 seconds. Maybe a bit more. I think I might end it now over here.
Don't worry.
So guys,
Oh, background music.
Ooh, I love this YouTuber.
Okay, guys, background music. Because,
guys.
you know, it's an outro, so why not background music?
Goodbyes.
Bye.